Welcome back. If you want to save money on your online orders without paying for a regular Prime membership, today I'll show you the absolute best method to get free shipping on Amazon using a desktop browser. Let's get straight into it. First, open your preferred web browser, head over to the official Amazon website, and make sure you are logged into your account. Use the top search bar to find the items you want to buy and add them to your shopping cart. Once you have finished adding items, direct your eyes to the upper right sidebar of your screen where your order summary is displayed. As you can see right here, when your cart items reach Amazon's free shipping minimum threshold, a green confirmation message will automatically appear right below your subtotal balance. It will explicitly state that your order qualifies for free delivery. If you see this message, click the Go to Cart or Proceed to Checkout button. Once you reach the final checkout and shipping configuration screen, look closely at the delivery options section on the right-hand side. Amazon will list various shipping speeds. Make sure to manually click and select the radio button option labeled Free Standard Shipping before hitting the Final Place Order button, as faster paid shipping options are sometimes selected by default. If your cart total ever falls below the minimum limit and you don't see the free shipping message, you can simply use the search bar to find a cheap, practical item to bridge the gap, or check the checkout screen for a free local Amazon Hub Locker pickup location near your neighborhood. And that's it. You now know the most reliable way to check for and secure free shipping on Amazon. If this quick tutorial helped you out, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward tech tips. Thanks for watching.